abilities and knocking the doors to reach the under 16 and under 19 UA selection. These opportunities have given many youngsters to create a pathway from their under 13s, under 15s, under 16, then to reach UA levels. And in this country, if you talk about club cricket for juniors, is very less, and also national level leagues are very less. So these type of tournaments have given loads of opportunities for you all to play, enjoy this beautiful game, and show what you are capable of to the authorities who are waiting to pick you up for national duties. Okay, so take these opportunities as golden opportunities. Every match, every outing will teach you a good lesson. Even if you fail, that also a lesson in the other way around. So take these opportunities, grab it with both hands, and try to do better and better whenever you come. Remember, cricket is a gentleman's game. First priority has to be a good team person, team member, and giving your 200% to the success of the team. Secondary, your performances will come. Now, throughout the tournament, I can see loads of people have done very well to get these trophies. And Sheshad, thank you very much for creating these type of tournaments for youngsters here. Next to me, Mr. Thakur, and creating all these lovely facilities for you all to play cricket and great facilities for youngsters to come and play. Thakur, welcome and thank you very much. Also director of YTCA now. Okay, now everybody is tired, waiting for a long time to finish it up. I will invite Mr. Mohammed to come forward and do the honors of giving the trophies, medals, and doing the honors of for today. Sheshad, can we? Yeah, I will announce. Okay, let's start up with under 15s. I'm sure you guys by now know who has won and who has done well because of the media. And best bowler award will go to Jeff Vernon. Crick Sparrow, Jeff Vernon. He's not there? Okay. Then best batsman, Mohammad Ismail, Sharjah Cricket Council. Best fielder, Bevan George. Bevan is not there? Okay, Bevan is missing today. Then Master Blaster will go to Deepak Kejiraj. Then the best award of the tournament, player of the tournament, Aryan Saxena of Sharjah Council. Well done, Aryan. Man of the match in the finals, Fadi Jafar. Well done. Okay. All the awards in under 17 also? Yeah, all right. We will go through the special awards, then we will go to winners and runners up. We will move into under 17 award winners. We'll start with best bowler, Arjun Subramaniam, YTCA. Then we have best batsman award, under 17 age group category is Vishnu. Best fielder from YTC again, Lovepreet. Then we have Master Blaster for under 17 age group is Hamad Arshad. Is not there. Someone can receive that. Yeah. Tell them to clap. Everybody's going. Yeah, we have player of the tournament who has done immensely well, and this kid has been doing very well in the junior circuit. It's Yuvraj Barua. Well done. Keep it up. Man of the final, Yuvraj, don't go. Come again. Man of the final, Yuvraj Barua. Now we'll invite the runners-up team of under 15 age group category Desert Cubs to come forward, captain last, and to get their medals first. Come in front. Come in front. Yeah. Yeah. Come. Yeah, yeah. All good. Can we have some noise, please? Clap. If you can. Yeah. Acknowledge your opponent as well. That's a good quality. You'll say a few words. Yeah, say a few words. Thank you. I would invite Faisur to say a few words. Faisur, where did you go wrong in the finals?
They bowled well and restricted us to a. They bowled well and restricted us to a low score. They also batted well. We didn't bowl to our proper field, and that made us lose the game.
Okay. Wish you all the best for the upcoming tournaments. Can we have the under 17 runners-up team, YTCA, to come and take the medals? Captain last. This way, please. Come here, son. Come here. Yeah, come. Come. Come, Rudra. No, take the medal and come. Yeah. Rudra, where did you go wrong at the finals after reaching?
I think our fielding, we dropped a lot of catches. I think we missed a couple of stumpings as well. That's pretty much it. We could have defended, although it was a low score, but I think we messed up fielding.
When you take man to man, we had a very good team, so something would have happened in your planning.
Just the fielding. It's just the fielding. I think the plans went accordingly, but we dropped catches. So
wish you all the best for the upcoming tournaments. Yeah. Now we'll move on to bigger awards. bigger awards. Winners of 2021 Ramadan tournament, under 15 age group category, Ace Cricket Academy. Can we have the players? Captain last. Come here, sir. Come from here. Come.
Can you on the mic while Shalom speaking?
Mic is on anyway. You can hear it. You can hear from yeah. I don't know. I will take the captain. Captain has to speak. Can I have the captain here? Yes, son. Please tell me, what was your preparation plan against Desert Cups?
We wanted to get the main batsmen out because if they bat more, they'll be really destructive. Yeah.
All that? All right. You guys did really well throughout the tournament. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Right. Yeah. Can I have the under 17 winners to come and take their medals first? Captain last. Right. Camera. Look at the camera and go. Yeah, Juvi, take the middle and come. We have the winning captain here, Yuvraj Barua, who has been doing really well throughout the tournament and leading his team to the final and winning the cup as well. Yuvraj, what was your preparation plan for a big match like this?
Yes, it was a very good tournament and we just planned to keep it simple because in big matches when you play simple, you get the big matches very easily. So we played simple, we bowled in our line and we got them all out very early and it was very easy chasing in the end.
Brilliant planning. If you keep things simple, I'm sure things will get simple as well. So whatever he has done is the message for the others as well. Well done, Juvi. All the best for you.
Thank you, sir.
Can we have the under 15 runners up to come and take their trophy? Sorry. All together. Guys, come on. Team also, come on. First captain here, receive the trophy, then the team.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Everybody, come on. Come, full team, take a picture. Come on, quickly on the double. Come on. Get yourself adjusted.
All of you.
Take a picture here, quickly. Yeah. Sit, guys, sit. Captain stand, others.
Let others sit.
Others kneel down. No, you stand and wait. Kneel down. Everybody kneel down, come on. Everybody. Move little bit that side. Move little bit. Son, go to the other side. Aryan, kneel down, everybody. Move little bit here, move little bit. Yes. Okay, get closer. All right, keep the cup up. Okay, thank you very much, Desert Cups team. Wish you all the best. Can we have the under 17 Runners-up YTCA team on the podium to receive their trophy. Under 17, I need everyone to keep bit quieter. It's difficult to hear. YTCA, come on, captain first, receive the trophy.
Who's the captain? Went home.
This is not nice.
Take it, it's fine.
Go down, children. Come on. Thank you, YTCA, and wish you all the best for the future matches. Now, bigger awards. Champions of Ramadan Tournament 2021 Under 15 category, Ace Cricket Academy. Come, son. Come. Captain first. Captain first. Receive the trophy. Take a picture. Yeah. Come, children. Kneel down. You go to the corner and kneel down. Go to the corner. Yeah, kneel down. Kneel down, kneel down, kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down.